Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather simple ingredients and measure precisely for consistent taste. Use 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, and 4 Oz blue cheese crumbles. Add 2 tablespoons buttermilk to thin the dressing while allowing you to adjust texture later. Season with 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce for tang and umami. Also include 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. Freshly cracked black pepper improves flavor. Chill the blue cheese if it was at room temperature before mixing. Start by mashing 4 Oz blue cheese with a fork to leave some chunks while releasing creaminess. In a separate bowl, whisk mayonnaise, sour cream, and buttermilk until smooth and slightly glossy. This gives even texture and avoids lumps. Stir in the lemon juice, Worcestershire, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. Then fold in the mashed blue cheese so pockets of flavor remain. Taste and adjust salt, or add up to 1 tablespoon more buttermilk if you want a thinner, pourable consistency. Refrigerate at least 30 minutes. Serve the dressing chilled with hot wings and carrot sticks for classic pairing and temperature contrast. Re-whisk before serving if separated and add up to 1 tablespoon buttermilk to adjust thickness for dipping versus drizzling. For presentation, spoon on a ramekin, sprinkle 1 tablespoon extra crumbled blue cheese, and garnish with chopped chives or parsley. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days and discard if off odor develops. If freezing, expect minor texture change. Thaw slowly in the fridge and re-emulsify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.